Ever found yourself needing to run payroll, but you're nowhere near your computer? Maybe you're on the go, a team member needs a quick payslip, or your laptop's decided to take an unexpected vacation. The question pops into your head. Can I do zero payroll on my phone? It's a question I get asked a lot, and it's a crucial one for small business owners and managers juggling multiple tasks. So, let's dive in and find out. First, let's acknowledge the reality of our world today. We live in a mobile-first era. We manage our finances, communicate with loved ones, even order groceries, all from the convenience of our smartphones. So, it's only natural to expect that critical business functions like payroll should be accessible at our fingertips. Xero, being a cloud-based accounting software, inherently offers a degree of mobile accessibility. But the real question is, how far does that accessibility extend when it comes to payroll? The short answer is yes, you can access and manage certain aspects of Xero payroll on your phone. However, it's not quite as simple as having the full desktop version in your pocket. Think of it as a scaled-down, mobile-optimized experience. You can definitely perform some key tasks, but there are limitations you need to be aware of. Let's break down what you can do. Firstly, you can access the Xero mobile app. This is your gateway to managing various aspects of your business finances, including payroll. Within the app, you can view employee payslips. This is incredibly useful if a team member has a query about their pay, or if you simply need to double-check the details of a recent pay run. You can quickly pull up the payslip on your phone and address the issue on the spot. You can also approve timesheets through the mobile app. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're managing a team with hourly employees. Instead of waiting until you're back at your desk, you can review and approve timesheets directly from your phone, ensuring that payroll runs smoothly and on time. Imagine you're on a business trip and payroll is due. No problem. Just pull out your phone, approve the timesheets, and you're good to go. Another handy feature is the ability to access employee contact information. Need to call an employee about a payroll-related question? Their contact details are readily available within the Xero mobile app. This streamlines communication and eliminates the need to search for contact information elsewhere. So, what are the limitations? While the mobile app offers a good level of accessibility, you can't perform the full suite of payroll functions that you can on the desktop version. Crucially, you can't actually process payroll from start to finish on your phone. This means you can't create a new pay run, adjust payroll settings, or generate payroll reports directly within the mobile app. These tasks require the full functionality of the desktop version. Think of the mobile app as a companion to the desktop version, not a complete replacement. It's perfect for quick checks, approvals, and accessing information, but for the heavy lifting of payroll processing, you'll still need to use a computer. Now, let's talk about why this limitation exists. Payroll is a complex process, involving numerous calculations, tax considerations, and compliance requirements. The desktop version of Xero is designed to handle this complexity, providing a comprehensive interface for managing all aspects of payroll. Trying to replicate this entire functionality on a mobile device would be challenging and potentially lead to errors. Furthermore, security is a paramount concern when it comes to payroll. Xero takes data security very seriously, and the desktop version offers robust security features to protect sensitive payroll information. While the mobile app is also secure, processing payroll on a larger screen with more controlled access might be considered a more secure approach for such a sensitive function. So, where does this leave us? The Xero mobile app is a valuable tool for managing certain aspects of payroll on the go. It empowers you to stay connected and handle essential tasks like approving timesheets and viewing payslips. However, for the actual processing of payroll, you'll still need to use the desktop version. Consider this analogy. The mobile app is like your quick access tool belt. It's got the essentials for handling everyday tasks. But for the more complex jobs, you'll need your full toolbox, the desktop version. For small business owners, this means you can manage a lot of the day-to-day payroll admin from your phone, freeing you up to focus on other aspects of your business. But when it comes to running the actual payroll, you'll need to plan some time to sit down at your computer. Is Xero Payroll on your phone a complete solution? Not quite. Is it a useful and convenient tool for managing key aspects of payroll? Absolutely. It's about understanding the capabilities and limitations of the mobile app and using it in conjunction with the desktop version for a streamlined payroll process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.